Hi there, this is Doreen Velin. I want to thank you for being with me today, and we're going to do some interesting thing with acrylic and blending the colors beautifully. So thank you. We're going to just work with color and acrylics, and I really love watercolor and I like the look of the watercolor. So we're just going to try some acrylics that'll look like watercolor. So basically I'm just going to, I'm not going to use basically because I watched Judge Judy. You don't use the word basically. So I'm just going to put some white globs here. Lots of white. Okay. And I put some different colors with it. I think I'll do a little bit of Turk. And a little bit of, say, a nice soft orange. And a little bit of yellow, nice warm yellow. And maybe another shade of yellow, maybe a cool yellow or banana yellow. There we go. And a bit of mauve. Mauve is always nice. Yeah. Oh, somebody's grinding out there. I don't know who that is. Got some new tools for Christmas probably. So we're going to just pretend it isn't there. Okay, so I'm just going to mix these up. Get some nice colors going here. Oh, he stopped. Oh! Turkey. Okay. We live in a house, separate house, but with lots of other houses around us. It's in a strata, so you have to put up with some of this stuff sometimes. Well, at least we don't have the lawnmower. Last year we had the lawnmower right outside my window. Going by the lawnmower, I was talking. We don't have that anymore because they changed companies, so we have some different companies now. Okay, so back to pointed hand here. I'm going to take a nice big fluffy brush, okay, and I'm going to put lots of water on it and just kind of take a bit of it, take a bit with my finger like this, take a little bit off, and then I'm going to be doing soft yellow first. It's got to be a man. A woman would never do it that long. And I'm going to take some warm yellow. If you do it up here. Again, some water. You can always spritz it too, you know. If you don't have a nice big fluffy brush that holds a lot of water, just spritz it. Some orange. And maybe some mauve up here. Some blue. I'm keeping it probably pretty light. Because I want this as a background. This will actually it's not the picture, it's just the background. Kind of washing my brush in between a little bit, but still using lots of water. What am I missing here? Maybe a little bit more orange. Orange and blue, complementary colors, remember. Go nice together. And more be mauve. Put some mauve up here. And just put some more orange in that color there. Okay, now once you've done that, make sure you put your brush in water because you don't want it to harden up on you. Once you do that, when you take a nice little fluffy brush here. Now this brush is your blender, and you have to have it dry. So we're just going to fluff it. Let's get some spritzer on here, make sure this doesn't dry on me. It's drying already. It's warm today. Very warm. Suntan weather. Lake is heating up. Oof. Yeah. Just kind of go around circles if you like, or just want to get rid of the lines. Let it all blend together. Like a beautiful happening. There. Done. Okay, that's it. Don't want to go over it again because see what happened when I did it again? It went like that. So don't go over it twice. One time. Okay, that's it. Now that is going to be a background, and we'll let it dry. Make sure you wash your brush out really, really good. And that's it. So join us later. Thanks.